Hello, my name is Jessie, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Reflecting Beyond the Classroom, where I will go beyond the traditional brick and mortar style of education and focus on tutorials and strategies for online learning, starting with learning platforms such as Microsoft Teams and Canvas. Plus, there's a lot more out there that I will cover. In addition to this, I will be documenting my experience as an online English teacher for two companies, VIP Kid and GoGo Kid. I've had a wonderful time teaching for both of these companies so far, so I hope you will join me for this journey. I hope my strategies and my experience will help you during your educational journey as well. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to drop them in the comments of the videos or send me an email message. I would love to help out with anything that you need. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because new videos will drop every Sunday and or Wednesday, depending on the content, and there's some awesome content. So I cannot wait to start working with you. I cannot wait for more videos to come out. I hope you have a wonderful morning, evening, day, night, whatever it might be, but have a good one. Bye.